Yes, very good morning, children. Welcome back to maths class. So let us start our class today. As we were discussing, it is about the topic how many times.
Good
And
morning, ma'am.
yeah, good morning. So we are left with one topic in this chapter, multiplication tree. Let us do that today.
Good morning, ma'am.
And few more problems on two-digit numbers multiplication also. One method we have already learned, that is expansion method. Let us do today column method also in this. Then we can go to the next chapter. Okay. So before we start with this multiplication, let us go with the multiplication tree. For that, let me share the screen. Page
Okay,
number
ma'am.
133. Hope you can see the screen. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it's very
ma'am.
simple. See page number 133. Please all of you open your textbook, page number 133. Complete the multiplication tree. Let us do this. Do all of you know tables? I have asked you to learn.
Yes, ma'am. I know all the tables.
Very good.
Yes,
so others
ma'am.
also
To
hope
12,
you-
ma'am. To 15, ma'am. I know the
Yeah.
tables to 15, ma'am.
Oh, very good. So, okay, let me know. Let me test today, all of you, those who have learned tables. So, there will be a small test now. Hope all of you are ready. Are you all ready?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We are all
Good.
ready.
Very good. Okay. Now, see here, in this multiplication tree, already one example is given in number 10. Okay, so here we are trying to find out in which table do we get 10. Right from first table you can find out. Do all of you know is what is 1 tenza? What is 1 tenza?
1 tens are 10, ma'am.
1
10.
tenza 10, yes.
ma'am.
So 10 can be written as 1 tenza 10, right? 10 can be written as 1 tenza 10. 2 table, in 2 table where do you get 10? Read
2
out
times 5, ma'am. 2 times 5, ma'am.
Yeah, 2 times 5 is 10. So 2 5s are 10. See
Oh,
here.
নীলকে দেখো জামাগুলো
2
ফেলে
5s
দিতে
are 10.
পারে।
Here, please don't talk. Children, just answer. Yes.
Okay,
Do we
ma'am.
get, here listen. Do we get 10 in 3 table?
10 in 3 table. No, ma'am.
No.
What about others?
No, ma'am.
Yes. So you don't get 10 in 3 table. You don't get 10 in 4 table. So next we go to 5. 5 how many times is 10?
5 times 2.
5 times
5
2.
times 2.
10, ma'am. 5 times 2.
5 times 2. Very good. Then 1 time 10 is 10. 10 times
Yes,
1
ma'am.
is 10. Even 10 times 1 is 10. Right?
Yes,
Similarly,
ma'am.
please see that your siblings are not making noise. Someone is shouting at home from someone home. Check it up. Yeah. Those who have disturbance from your side, please mute yourself. Others can unmute and answer. Now coming to 12. Now we are doing with 12. Okay. So here 12, right from first
Times
table.
6, ma'am.
Right from first table we will do. Okay. In one table, how many times is 12?
12 times 1, ma'am.
Yes, 1, 12s are 12, right?
Yes, ma'am.
2 times here, 3. From
2
where
times 6, ma'am.
please mute.
2 times 6. It's 2, ma'am.
Wait a second, let me find out who is that shouting. I told you if there is any problem from your home, please mute yourself.
12, ma'am.
Don't see that others are disturbed. Please see that others are not. Yeah,
It is 2 6 are 12, ma'am.
very good. 2 6 are 12, right?
And 3 4s are 12, ma'am.
3
4s are
12. Very good. 3 4s are 12.
And 4 3s are, ma'am. 4 3s are.
Very good. 4 3s
How
are
much
12.
is there exam, ma'am?
Okay, so this we have completed, right? So now, because there is a disturbance, I would like to ask one by one. Okay.
Ma'am.
So for that, I have to mute you all. I have muted you all. Now, one by one, I'm going to ask you. So Rajesh already has given some answers. So let me start with Pradyumna. Are you ready, Pradyumna? As I call you, if you are ready, then only I'll ask. Otherwise, I will shift to. I'll go to other students. Right now, Pradyumna.
Yes,
The question is 18. Can you tell me the tables where you get 18? Quickly. We'll start.
3
with-
6, ma'am.
Okay, but we'll start with 1 as we have done just now. We'll start with 1. See here 12, we have started with 1, 12s are 12, right? So 18,
Yes,
1, 18s are, right?
Yes.
Right? Yeah. Okay. Next we'll go to 2 table. Do you have, do you get 18 in 2 table?
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me how many times?
9 times, ma'am.
Very good. So 2 9s are. 2 9s are 18. Nice. Next go for the 3rd table.
3 6, ma'am.
Very good. 3 6 are 18. Okay. What next? What next? Do we get 18 in 4 table?
6th table, ma'am.
6 table. Okay, fine.
No, ma'am.
There is no 18 in 4, 5. So he's going to 6 table. Very good. 6 3s are 18. Why? Very good. So simple way. See, once check it up, all of you. Listen to me. Here I said 1 12s are 12. If you are not able to find out the other table, it's very simple. You can write 12 ones are 12. This is also another one. 12 times 1. Right? So you will get
Yes.
2 at a time. Next, 2 6 are 12, you said. Here 2 6 are 12. The next one is 6 2s are 12. Both you will get at a time. So 4 very easily. Only 2 table if you get, the remaining all 4 columns you can, 4 blanks you can fill it up. Right? So here also 1 18s, 18 ones are, 2 9s are, 9 2s are, 3 6 are, 6 3s are. Is that clear? So very good, Pradyumna. Let me go to the other student. Hemanandana.
Yes, ma'am.
For 35, can you tell me? Let me start with Hemanandana. Please look at here. For 35,
Yeah, ma'am.
let me start with 1.
135, ma'am.
Very good. 135 is 35. Next one. Only you are given 3.
35 ones, ma'am.
Okay, very good. 35 ones are 35. One more. Two table, do you get 35?
No, ma'am.
No. 3 table. 3 tens are 30. Right? So we know up to only
Yeah.
10. So we will see it only up to that. So 35, leave it. Next, go to 4 table. You don't get 5 table. Read out 5 table.
5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20,
Hmm.
5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
5 sevens are, ma'am.
Yes, so Rajesh also has given in chat box. So nice. 5 sevens are 35. Then what? Another one, can you tell me, Hemanandana? One more.
5 sevens are-
As I told you, see 135. Here, Hemanandana, listen here. Look
Yes,
at this.
ma'am.
135 is 35. 35 ones are 35. Right? Similarly, 5 sevens are 35.
Yeah, ma'am.
And
7 fives are 35, ma'am.
very good. 7 fives are 35. So nice. Okay, good. Very good. Well done, Hemanandana. Let me go to the next student. Here, next one is Joseph Prince. Joseph Prince, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good. So next, your number is 24.
24.
Yeah.
5 tables, 5 in
5 table.
5.
Remember, in 5,
124.
5, how many times? See, in 5 table, when you read the 5 table, in ones place, it will be either 0 or 5. In ones place, 5 twos are 10, so you got 0. 5 threes are 15. 5 in units place, ones place. Huh? Similarly, 5 fours are 20. 0. So who is that writing? Guru Dipti, please don't write. Guru Dipti, rub it off. Guru Dipti, very good. Okay, yeah, Joseph Prince. 5 table, you don't get 4 in one's place. So you have here 4, right? That 4 you don't get in one's place. So 5 table, it is not possible. So simple one first, as I told you. Hemanandana told the first one, no? What is the first one? 1? 1 how many times?
124 times.
Very good. So this you got it done. 1 table you got it. Once you get the 1, the second one also you can tell. What is that? Just exchange, I told you, no? 124 is 24. 24 ones is 24. Right?
3 8s are 24, ma'am.
Very good. 3 8s are 24. Fine. 3 8s are 24. What next?
4 7s are 20.
8.
4 6s are 28.
4 6s are 24.
24.
Okay. Here 3 8s are 24. I can write 8 3s are 24, right? Can I write that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so you have got this also. Next, 4 6 are 24. Very good. 4 6 are 24. One more, can you tell me? You can say 6
8
4s
3s are, ma'am.
8 3s are over. So 4 6 are 24. 6 4s are 24. Very good. Okay, done. Next, who is Vivek? Are you ready, Vivek? Answer, Vivek. Vivek, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
So your number is 36. 36.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me for 36. First simple one. What should I take?
मल्टीप्लिकेशन है वो जोड़ो.
One
Yes.
table. Let us take with one table. 1 how many times is 36? Just remember 1 multiplied by any number. Huh? Huh? 1 how
6,
many
ma'am.
1 how many times, ma? 1 how many times is 36? 1 ఎన్నిసార్లు మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి 36 రావడానికి?
36.
You should tell me the same number. 1 with the same number always. Okay, good. Another one? 2 table. You have here. 4 table. Do you know, Vivek? Vivek, 4 table.
4 table.
Read 4 table.
4 1 4 1 4 4 2 8 4 3 12. I have 4 3 12. 4 4 16. 4 5
20.
20. 4 6 24.
Yes. 4 7s are 28.
28 20. 4
8s
4
are
8
32.
32.
Very good.
4 9 are 36. 4
Very
10
good.
are 40.
Yeah, 4 9s are 36. Ishan, rub it off. Yeah, 4 9s are 36. Very good. So now the next one. How to take the next one? 4 9s are 36 you got. What about another one? Can you say it simply?
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me. 4 9s are 36. Another one.
Another one. 4 10 are 40.
Not that, my dear Vivek. For 36, if the factors are 4 9s are 36, another table where you get 36. Same, I asked you to change, no? 9 4s are. Just interchange the numbers. You will get the same answer. 4 9s are 36, 9 4s are 36, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So next table, 6 table. Check it out in 6 table.
6 1 जा 6, 6 2 जा 12, 6 3 जा
18.
18, 6 4 जा 24, 6 5 जा 30, 6 जा 42,
36. 6 6 are 36. Okay. So you get it in 6 table also. Now one more. So what you can do is 36 ones are 36 you can take. Right? Can we take, Vivek?
yes ma'am,
Yeah, 36 ones are 36. So you got 1 times 36, 36 times 1, 4 times 9, 9 times 4, and 6 times 6. Is this clear to all of you? Vivek, is this okay?
okay ma'am,
Yeah, good.
Okay,
So mute yourself. Next is Gurudipti. Gurudipti. No response. I can see
yes ma'am,
Gurudipti is ready. 45. Can you tell me the quick answers for 45, Gurudipti? First, what we have
45
done?
ma'am,
Huh?
45 ma'am,
Yes, 45.
75 ma'am,
45.
75 ma'am,
7 5s are
7
35. 7 5s are 35, my dear Gurudipti.
36,
7 6 are 42.
7 9 5 are
9 5s are very good. But first one, as I told you, if you don't know the tables, if you don't get the answer quickly, you can take 1 times 45. Yes? Is that correct, Gurudipti?
5 5 are
Okay, 9 5s are 45 as you told. Okay, 1 times 45, 9 times 5. 5 times 9 is also 45. You can take this also. 5 times 9, 45. Then 45 ones are 45. Is that correct?
yes ma'am,
Yeah, so this is done. Okay, next. Okay, Gurudipti, mute yourself. Next, Kartika Durga.
45 దేంట్లో 9 5
Kartika.
Yes.
80.
yes ma'am,
80 is the given number.
8 10 are 80 ma'am,
Don't tell me here what it is given here. Tell me something else. As we have done till now. Give me something else. Let us start with 1 as I told you. 1. 1 how many times?
81 are 80 ma'am,
Yeah, 80. 1 80s are 80 or 81s are 80. So this is also done. Okay. Next. 5. Can you tell me in 5 table? Okay, it might be difficult for you. Okay, that is why they have given you 8 10s are 80. Right? One
Yeah.
more.
10
Very
8
good.
are 80
Very
ma'am,
good. Very good. 10 8s are 80. Right? So good.
ma'am 42 are 80 ma'am,
Yeah. 42s are 80. Similarly, you can say 2 40s are 80. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Good. Well done.
80 ma'am,
16 5s are 80. But do you know or you are simply seeing here and telling?
no ma'am,
You know it. So one more you tell me. 16 5s are 80. One more you tell me then. It's 5 16s. 5 times 16. Right? When 16 5s are 80 is possible. Similarly, 5 times 16 is also possible. 5 into 16. Right? Is
yeah
that
ma'am,
correct? Yeah. Okay. So this is about yeah. Anything else?
no ma'am,
Okay, good. Well done. Okay, so I hope you understood multiplication tree. Any number given, you should able to find out the answers from the tables. You should able to find out the tables. Okay. Is that clear? Did all of you understand this? Did all? Okay, I have put you all in mute. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am. We understood all, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Now, children, listen
Yes,
to me.
ma'am.
Yeah, listen. Yeah.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
important point is this multiplication tree looks very simple. This is what is that? Just you are writing the tables, right, from tables. But once you understand this will be very easy for you later to understand new concepts. This will help you to understand new concepts easily. Okay, we call that as factors. I have explained you in the previous class also. When you write 3 5s are 15, 3 and 5 are called factors and 15 is called a product. So you are trying to write the factors of 15 there, isn't it? So that way, this multiplication tree, if you are able to write easily, that will help you learning factors and multiples in the higher classes. Is that clear? Okay. Now we will go to the multiplication of 2-digit numbers. Yes, we have learnt in the previous class multiplication of 2-digit number with the 2-digit number using expanded form. Now today we will do the same using column method. Just 2 problems I will tell you. The remaining all you have to do it and show it to me. Okay. So now. Is the board clear, children?
No, ma'am.
No.
Yes, no, ma'am. We have to
No, ma'am.
push the camera up, ma'am, little
No,
bit.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Up,
Let
ma'am.
me check.
Camera.
Just a second.
Yes,
Let
ma'am.
me check it out.
And we have to write it in the notebook, ma'am.
Yes, you have to write it in your notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Hey,
ma'am.
yeah.
Who is shouting?
Who is shouting?
Who is shouting like that?
Okay, now say here, children. Because you people are shouting, I am not allowing you to talk. Now, yeah. So hope the board is clear. Nobody can talk now.
Yes, ma'am. The board.
Is completely clear? Can you see everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
The board
fine.
is completely clear.
Very good. Okay. So let me start this, children. Yeah. Now look at this. We are trying to multiply 23 into 12. 23 into 12. Okay. So this already you have learned in an expansion method. Hope you remember. 23 into 12. How did you do in expansion method? Just I'll give you once again what you have done in the previous class. You are writing 23. You are expanding it in terms of ones and tens. That is 3 ones and 2 tens, that is 20, right? Then you are writing 12 also in terms of tens and ones, that is 10 and 2. Then you are multiplying 10 into 20, that is 200. Then 10 into 3, that is 30. Then 2 into 2, that is 40. And 2 into 3, that is 60. And at last you are adding all that numbers 200 plus 30 plus 40 plus 60. So let me check what is the answer. All zeros when you add it is 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. And 1 carried, 1 plus 2, 3. 330 you got. No, somewhere wrong. Sorry. This is 2 3 are 6. 2 3 are 6. So here it's not 60. It is 6. Yes. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6 is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7 and 2. So answer is 276. Similarly, now how to multiply this using column method. This already you have learnt in the previous class. Today we are going to learn this. Please look at the board carefully and try to understand. Here, where you are writing 23 and 12. And while writing, children, please understand, you have to follow the place values. You are writing and sending it to me, but many of you are not writing it in a proper way. Numbering in place values is important. Is that clear? So here, ones, tens, and hundreds place values I have mentioned. Now 23. So here you have 3 ones and 2 tens, and 12. 2 ones and 1 10. So this is clearly we have written and multiplication symbol. So first what you have to do is, as always I tell you, you have to start with ones only. Always you have to start with the ones, number in ones place. So 2, first you have to multiply this number 2 in ones with the number 3 in ones. So 2 3s are. Here what is 2 3s are? 6. So this you have to write here first. Then the same number 2 which is in ones, that you have to multiply with the number in tens. So 2 2s are 4. So that you have to write here. 2 2s are 4. Okay, is this clear? Next. Now you will go to the number which is in tens. Okay, and when you write 1 with the number in tens with the first number in ones, 1 3s are 3. And remember children, here 3 should be placed in tens place, not in ones place. When you start with the second digit, this answer should be placed in tens place, but not in ones place. Then what I should take in ones place? Simply take 0. Always take 0. Okay, now 1 3s are 3. And now this number with tens, 1 2s are 2. Now add all these. 6 plus 0, 6, 4 plus 3, 7, 2, 276 is the answer. See, both the answers are same. Okay. Similarly, I will explain once again. I'm explaining to you second time. Listen to me carefully. Those who did not understand, please try to understand. And now after doing this, the remaining problems will be a test for you. Clear? So please listen to me and try to understand. All of you look at the board. No hurry, don't take down right now. Please listen to me. Listening is important. Now, the question is 43 into 13. 43 into 13. So ones, tens and hundreds. 43, 4, 3. 3 in ones, 4 in tens. 13, 1, 3. 1 in tens, 3 in ones. First step, you have to take the number in ones and multiply it with the number in ones. 3 3s are 9. So you are writing 9. Second step, the number in ones with the number in tens. 3 4. You can see that differentiate the colors. I am doing only blue. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. Now again, this 12. So while writing this 12 also, be careful. Place as per the place values. 1 should be under hundreds. Don't write 12 like in the same box. Some of you are writing answer like 129 like this. This is wrong. You have to write under hundreds only. 1 should be written here. 2 should be written here. 129. Second step. Now the number in tens. This is to be multiplied with ones first. 1 3s are 3. So that should be placed in tens as I told you. Here what I should take? 0. When I have started with the number in tens only it should be placed. In ones you should not write anything. There you should write 0. Now this tens, the number in tens should be multiplied with the number in tens, that is 1 4s are 4. Now all these you have to add. 9 plus 0, 9. 2 plus 3, 5. 1 plus 4, 5. Answer is 559. Okay. Now take down these two. I'll just give you time for 1 minute. Yeah, children. Now if any doubt, please ask me in these two. These are important. You have to learn correctly. Once you learn, it will be
ma'am.
any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
No?
I do this maths every day, ma'am.
Very
I do
good.
this maths every day.
Very good. So I hope you have learned expansion methods or addition.
Yes, ma'am. I have learned those two also, ma'am.
Very good. Okay.
Ma'am.
Now
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
you have a doubt. Who is that? Who is that? Tell me the name. Viksha has a doubt, okay? Let me mute others so that only Viksha can speak. Wait a second, children.
Ma'am, please call. Ma'am, page number, please call, ma'am.
Yeah, Viksha. Where is Viksha here? Ha, Viksha. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, you said call method and span method, ma'am. I
Right.
don't know span method.
Why you were absent for the last class?
Yeah, ma'am, that day I got fever.
No, okay. And just now I have explained once again, this is expansion method, but still I'll explain for this problem also. Let others take down these two problems, then I'll explain once again expansion method. Those who missed it, they also can listen. Okay? Okay, fine, Viksha.
Ma'am,
I'll,
can you send the video?
yeah, I'll send this video also. Okay. So let us do once again one expansion and column, both the methods for third problem. Hope all of you have taken these two problems. Okay, now let us take one more problem from your textbook itself. So 73 into 11. Okay. Some of the problems I'll take down here. $42 into 23. 73 into 11. 51 into 13. 25 into 36. 73 into 11 is done. 54 into 12. And 12 into 40. Okay. So children, we will do these problems now, both the ways, column method and expansion method, so that those who have missed, they can cover it up once again. Yes. Children. So please don't make noise. I will allow everyone to speak so that you can ask if you have any doubts in between. But otherwise, please don't make noise. Okay. So the first one is 42 into 20.
Ma'am, I have to write again, ma'am. Don't shout.
Did you complete all this, Saurabh?
the page number?
Why page
Yes,
number?
ma'am.
Here, no need
We
of
have done, ma'am.
no need of page number here, children. I have written problems on the board. The same problems we are doing in vertical column method and also in expansion method. All of you, please.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Ma'am, I haven't done these, ma'am.
you have done all these.
No, ma'am.
Please do it now and check what we are doing and you are doing the same or not. Any mistake,
Okay, ma'am.
check it up. If you have any problem, ask. So now to make the video clear so that everyone understand, I have just put you in mute. So now first problem 42 into 23. I am doing in both the methods. First method I am using expansion method. So expansion method, you have to expand 42. How do you expand 42? 2 is in ones plus 4 is in tens. So 4 tens means 40. So 42 can be written as 40 plus 2. Similarly 23. 20 plus 3. 3 is in ones and 2 times tens, that is 20. 20 plus 3. Hope this is clear. Everyone knows how to expand. Hemanandana, please sit and listen. So now, how to write this? 40 plus 2. First, you will take these two numbers, 40 and 2. Then, because you have two digits, you need to take two rows like this side and this side one. And here 23, 20 plus 3. This is how you write. Okay, hope you understood. Now, first you have to multiply these two. 20 into 40. This is very easy. You will get all these numbers in tens only. Zeros you will have definitely. So see how many zeros you have. Write that number of zeros and multiply the given number. 2 4s are 8. So you will get 20 into 40 as 800. Simple. Next, now this you have to multiply with 2. 20 into 2. So here also multiply the two numbers. 2 2s are 4 and write as many number zeros you have. Right. Next, now 3 into 40. Here also multiply the two numbers. 3 4s are 12. This is easy. And write down the number of zeros you have. So 120. Next, 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. Now whatever answers you have got, all that answers you have to add. 800 plus 40 plus 120. Be careful while placing these values. It is ones, tens, hundreds. So please be careful while placing these values. So 800, 40, 120. 1 should be under hundreds and 6 should be exactly under ones, and add these two. All these, add all these. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. 8 plus 1 9 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. So answer is 966. This is called expansion method. Now I am doing column method. So what is the product? 42 into 23. These are the given numbers. Now we are doing column method. So for that, as I told you, this is must ones, tens, and hundreds. So be careful while writing the numbers. So first you are placing 42, then you are placing 23, and you are multiplying this. Then again, because 2-digit number, you will be in need of 2 more rows, and still you will be in need because you want to write the answer also. That I will draw once I complete this. So now first step is ones in ones, whatever you have it in ones with the number in ones. So 3 2s are 6. So place 6 here. And this is answer. So to know the difference, let me draw with another sketch here with another color. Here it is answer. Okay. Next, with this 3 multiply with 4. 3 4s are 12. So be careful while writing the digits. 1 2 6. 126. Next, now the number in tens with the number in ones. 2 2s are. So 4. That should be written in only tens because this is from tens. This value is from tens. So what you should write in ones? Just place 0. This is to be kept always whenever you have 2-digit number. Then 2 4s are 8. And add these. So 6 plus 0, 6. 2 plus 4, 6. 1 plus 8, 9. See, you got the same answer, 966. Hope this is clear. One more problem, the same way I will explain, expansion method and column method. Please take down quickly this one. Meanwhile, if any doubt, please ask me. Yeah, any doubt to anyone?
No doubt, ma'am.
No doubt.
Ma'am?
No doubt,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Who is that?
No, ma'am.
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Take down, take down. Huh? Who is that?
One more time.
This is expansion method. This is column method.
Ma'am, one more time you will see how to write expander method.
Who is that? Shruti? Is it Shruti?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you take down this. I'll explain once again. The second problem I will explain. I'll take 73 into 11 and do it once again for you. Or you want me to explain the same problem? Shruti,
Yes, ma'am.
do you want me to explain the same problem or shall we go for the second problem?
Second problem, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So all of you have taken down this?
Ma'am, wait a minute. I'm taking down,
Yeah,
ma'am.
please do it. Hope you can see the complete board. Can you see the complete board?
No, ma'am.
No?
No.
You should have told me, no?
We can see the whole board, ma'am.
Till here? Till my
Yes.
Then how come?
Both sides.
Yeah, fine, good. Okay,
can see
please
the
take
both
down.
sides.
Yeah, fine. Okay. Please take down then.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Hey, who is that?
Ma'am, page number.
Array. Why do you want page number, my dear?
Ma'am, page number, ma'am.
Yeah, wait, I'm telling you.
141.
Yeah, 141. Page number 141. Yeah. Others, please, quickly, we'll go to the second problem.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, count, ma'am.
Yeah, 73 into 11. Second problem, 73 into 11. Please check this. 73 into 11. First expansion method. How to write 73? How to write 73?
Plus 3.
70 plus 3. How to write 11? How to write 11? 10 plus 11. 11 should be written as 10 plus 11. Right? Now, this 10 and 1 here. So first 10 into 70. Can you tell me what is 10 times 70? 10 into 70. 1 7 is 7 and the zeros, as many zeros you have. Next, 10 into 3. 10 into 3, 30. 1 into 70. 70. 1 into 3. 3. Add all this. 700 plus 30 plus 70 plus 3. Add. 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 0 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 8. Additions, you know very well, I did not explain. So 803. Right? Next, so let us check the same with column method. Column method, same problem, 73 into 11. So first you have to take ones, tens, and hundreds. So 7 3 73, 1 1 11, multiplication. So first you have to multiply ones. So 1 into 3 is 3. So you will place it here. Next 1 into 7. 1 into 7 is 7. Next now the number in tens. So 1 into the number in ones. 3. 1 3s are 3. As I told you, you should not, as we are writing for tens, you should not write the number answer in ones. You should place 0 here. Now 1 3s are 3. Next 1.
Ma'am, side please.
Yes?
Ma'am, side please.
Huh? Okay.
Side please.
Now next is this one with the number in tens. 1 7s are 7. So 7 place here and add all these. You'll get the answer. Let us check whether you get the same or not. So to differentiate,
Ma'am, side please.
3 plus 0 3, 7 plus 3 10, 0 here and 1 carried, 1 plus 7 8. Did you get the same answer? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
You
Get the same answer.
Yes. So okay. Now the remaining problems here: 51 into 13, 25 into 36, 54 into 12, 12 into, I think this is 14. 12 into 14. These numbers are, these are a homework for you. All of you should do these in your home notebook. Okay.
Can I do this column method or expanded method?
Both the methods. Each problem, both the methods, as I have done. Expansion method and also column method.
Column method.
Okay.
Column method.
Yeah, hope all of you understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
Diksha, any doubt here?
No doubts, ma'am.
No doubt. Very good.
No
Okay.
doubt.
So as time is up, I am ending the session. Children, I'll send you
doubt,
this video if you want. So you can take.
Today's homework. No doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, good.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, children, I'm sending this video also. Those who have doubt, you can go through the video again and check and do it on your own. Okay. Yes, Sharon, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, today's homework, ma'am.
Today's homework, these problems you have to do on your own in both the ways, column method and also expansion method. Okay. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Till the next class. Bye. We will do next class new chapter, but learn this well. This is very important.